Hello and a very warm welcome. You're watching News 9 Live, shifting our focus to war zone-stricken Sudan. Sound of gunfire and artillery, thick plumes of black smoke and fire billowing from the army headquarters in Khartoum as war between the Sudanese military and the powerful RSF paramilitary group continues to grip the nation over who controls the country. A live shot from the Saudi-owned satellite news channel Al Arabiya showed a high-rise on fire in the Sudanese capital, with burning debris falling from its top floors. The fighting in Sudan has seen airstrikes pound its capital, Khartoum, diplomats attacked, and civilians hiding inside their homes, desperate for both food and water at one of the most important times of the year for Muslims. More than 185 people have been killed and over 1,800 have been wounded since the fighting erupted, according to United Nations figures. The battle between Sudan's military and the Rapid Support Forces, paramilitary organization born out of the militias accused of atrocities in Darfur, endangers the nascent efforts at ending decades of martial rule in the country. People have been unable to leave their homes since Saturday as the two sides engaged in gun battles and bombarded each other with artillery and airstrikes. Khartoum's hospitals have been thrown into chaos by the explosion of violence between Sudan's two top generals. At the Ahmad Qasim Children's Hospital, medical staff had to evacuate all cases except the ones in intensive care unit. Supplies were running low, with doctors, nurses, patients, and their relatives trapped inside for days as the Sudanese capital turned into a war zone. On the other hand, more than 200 nomadic and semi-nomadic people of Chanagiri Taluk of Davangere district are trapped in the ongoing violence in Sudan and are suffering without food and water. India, as we're learning from the Ministry of External Affairs, is coordinating closely with various countries to ensure the safety and security of Indian nationals in Sudan. But even as Japan says it will evacuate Japanese nationals, the White House, on the other hand, says there is no such plans yet of evacuations, even as the World Health Organization and the United Nations have come down heavily condemning the hostilities in Sudan.
Sudan, are there plans to evacuate U.S. embassy personnel from there?
So, look, the U.S. Embassy in Khartoum's security alert on April 16th stated that due to uncertain security situation in Khartoum and closures of the airport, Americans should have no expectations of a U.S. government-coordinated evacuation at this time. But we expect that will remain the case.
The situation in the Republic of Sudan is deeply concerning. Sudan's Ministry of Health Emergency Operations Center reports 270 people have been killed and more than 2,600 people have been injured. Tragically, 3 workers from WFP have also been killed. I condemn all loss of life, and we stand in solidarity with our brothers and sisters in Sudan.